When is the worst time to sneeze? During a prostate exam, while driving, walking a tightrope with no net, with food in your mouth, while hiding in the closet from a serial killer, face to face while having sex, as soon as you start oral on a partner. Sorry, think I'm allergic to your junk. When you have diarrhea, in a crowded place in the middle of a global pandemic, LASIK eye surgery, job interview, while diffusing a bomb, while driving, when you have to burp and fart at the same time, when you're in your lover's man bits after using your shrinking powers for some added pizzazz, when you have to pee, watching big titty goth girl porn,